Hello students, welcome back to our channel Food Tech Online. So today will be our class 1 of most important questions of CUET examination, food science and technology, and the subject is fruits and vegetable processing. So without wasting much time, let us proceed. Yes, you can pause the video first and you can try to solve these all questions by your own, and at the end you can also comment us your scores out of 25. So now let us proceed. So what is the purpose of blanching in of fruits and vegetable processing? So options are enhance flavor, inactivate enzymes, increase vitamin content and improve the texture. So over here the correct option is B, that is to inactivate the enzymes. So the purpose of blanching in fruits and vegetable processing is to inactivate the enzymes. Even one thing you should note over here that this process even helps the to preserve the color and texture nutritional values of the fruits and vegetables. So enhance the flavor and improve the texture, these two all are also the characteristics, but the most important one is to blanching means to inactivate the enzyme. This is the most appropriate answer over here, and it do not increases the vitamin content over here. So number C is not the correct one, but it helps to preserve the color and flavor nutritional values also. So, but the most appropriate one is B, that is it inactivates the enzyme, is the correct option over here. So question number 2, how should fresh vegetables be transported? So options are motor vehicles, train, normal trucks and refrigerated trucks. So over here the correct option is D, that is refrigerated trucks. So fresh vegetables, it needs to be transported in refrigerated trucks or containers to maintain their freshness and even to prevent them from the spoilage. So over here the correct option is D, that is refrigerated truck. So question number 3, what are the total soluble solids of fruit juices? So options are 35%, 20%, 45% and 55%. So over here the correct option is B, that is 20%. So the total soluble solid, that is TSS content of the fruit juice, it can vary depending on the type of the fruit juice and its maturity. However, typically it ranges from 10 to 20% of the fruit's fresh weight. So over here the most appropriate answer will be number B, that is 20%. Question number 4. Which gas is commonly used in controlled atmosphere storage of fruits and vegetables? So options are hydrogen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen and oxygen. So over here the appropriate answer is nitrogen. So controlled atmospheric storage of fruits and vegetable, it typically involves a mixture of gases of carbon dioxide, oxygen and nitrogen. So the gas concentration, it can range from say 1 to 10% of oxygen, 0 to 30% of carbon dioxide, and the balance is the nitrogen. So over here the most appropriate answer is nitrogen, but however it is important to note over here that these three gases, that is oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide, these three gases, it plays a role in the process of controlled atmosphere storage of fruits and vegetable, but nitrogen, it plays the most important or the crucial role. That is why over here the most appropriate answer is nitrogen. So next question. So question number 5, what is chilling injury in fruits? So options are caused by temperatures above the freezing point, B caused by temperature variations, C caused by temperature at the freezing point, and D caused by temperature below the freezing point. So over here the most appropriate answer is option number A, that is caused by the temperature above the freezing point. So chilling injury in fruits is actually caused by the temperature above the freezing point. So chilling injury, it can lead to various symptoms such as skin pitting or browning or blackening or fresh fruits or water soaking or rotting. So it is important to note over here that the specific temperature at which chilling injury occurs, it can vary among the different types of the fruits. So over here the correct option is option number A, that it is above the freezing point. So question number 6, what is the amount of chlorine which is used in washing the fruits? So options are 100 ppm, 300 ppm, actually over here one M is missing, 300 ppm, C 200 ppm and D 400 ppm. So over here the correct option is C, that is 200 ppm. So for sanitations of fruits and vegetables, a concentration or range of 100 to 200 ppm of chlorine is usually taken, and this concentration is enough to kill the harmful microorganisms without damaging the produce or causing harm to the consumers. So over here correct option is C, that is 200 ppm. So question number 7. Which of the following factors affect the fresh cut fruits? So options are temperature, moisture, specific heat and water activity. So over here the correct option is D, that is water activity. So the quality of the fresh cut fruit is affected by several factors. So these factors can include temperature, moisture and water activity. But among the following, these factors even it influences the physiology and the quality of the fresh cut produce. But over here the most appropriate one will be the water activity, as it directly affects the fresh cut fruits. So over here option number D, that is water activity, is the correct answer. So question number 8. So what is the primary function of antioxidant in fruits and processing? So options are enhance flavor, improve textures, extend shelf life and D, increase nutritional content. So most appropriate answer is C, that it extends the shelf life. So the primary function of antioxidant in fruit processing is to extend the shelf life. Antioxidants actually in fruits and vegetables, what does it do? That it scavenges out the harmful free radicals, and it protects against the oxidation. Even it improves the nutritional content or value, and it prevents from the food spoilage. So one thing you should note over here, that they also help to slow down the discolorations of fruits and vegetables. So we can say that this antioxidants, it can indirectly, it enhances the flavor and increases the nutritional content by protecting from the degradation. But the primary work of the antioxidant is to extend the shelf life. So over here the correct option among the following will be C, that it extends the shelf life. So question number 9. Why is pre-processing treatment done? So options are it is voluntarily done for all the processed fruits. B, to reduce the post-harvest losses. C, to improve the quality of the product. And D, to improve the quality of the product and to reduce the post-harvest losses. So among the following, the most appropriate answer will be number C, D, that is it improves the quality of the product and also it reduces the post-harvest losses. So actually pre-processing treatment in fruits, actually it is done we can say that it transforms the raw material into a form that can be packed efficiently into an appropriate containers. That is why pre-processing is mainly done. So over here it is done to improve the quality of the product and to reduce the post-harvest losses. Option number D is correct. So question number 10, that is what is the limitation of thermal pasteurization of fruits and vegetable juices? So option are change in nutritional properties, change in sensory properties, change in functional properties and change in sensory, nutritional and functional properties. So over here among the following, the most appropriate answer is D, that it change in sensory, nutritional and functional properties. So while thermal pasteurization actually it is effective in reducing the microorganism concentration, and even it ensures the safety of the juice. So it includes the unnecessary biochemical reactions and the nutrient changes, which in return it can affect the overall quality of the juices. So we can say thus that it concludes that the change in the flavor, color and sensory qualities. So over here the correct option is change in nutritional, functional and sensory properties. So correct option is D. So question number 11, which enzyme is used for clarification of fruit juices? So options are pectinase, cellulose, lipase and ribonuclease. So among the following, the appropriate answer is A, that is the pectinase enzyme. So the enzyme that is commonly used for the clarification of fruit juice is the pectinase enzyme. Actually this pectinase, it breaks down the plant carbohydrate into the soluble forms, and then this process, what happens, it frees the suspended particles and which settles down and leaves the juice to be cleared. So over here the correct option is A, that is the pectinase enzyme. So question number 12, what is macerating? So options are soaking the fruit in sugar solution, soaking the fruit in salt solution, so coating the fruit in sugar, or coating the fruit in salt. So over here the correct answer is A, that is soaking the fruit in sugar solution. So actually macerating, actually this is a technique which is done to soften the fresh fruits, and what happens, finally it draws out its natural sugar. So one way to do is to literally keep the fruit soaked in a solution of wine or any juices or liquor, or we can say any balsamic vinegars, or the easier way is by simply macerating or sprinkling it in a little bit of sugar solution. So over here it is important to note that the specific process can vary depending on the type of the fruits and the specific macerating requirements. So over here the macerating, actually the primary function is it soaks down the fruit in the sugar solution. So over here option number A is correct. So question number 13. So what factor affects the juice yield? So options are type of pressing device, flexible filter, rigid filter, and type of washing chemicals. So over here the correct option, the most appropriate answer is A, that is the type of pressing devices. So the juice yield in fruit processing, actually it also depends on other factors. So these factors can be the extraction temperature and time, or the degree of crushing of the raw material, or the concentration differences, or the current velocity in which the process is being done. And it also depends on the pressing device. So over here the appropriate answer is A, that is the pressing device. Other factors are also important, but over here the option A is correct. So question number 14, that is what is mark? So options are remaining material in the equipment after pressing, or remaining material in the equipment after boiling, remaining material in the equipment after drying, or remaining material in the equipment after freezing. So over here the most appropriate answer is A, that is the remaining material in the equipment after pressing. So the term that is mark, actually it is used in a context with the wine making process, where the solid remains. So solid remains of grape juice, mainly grapes, that is the remainings like the skin pulps or seeds or stems. So when when these leftovers are left after the juice has been taken out, so these leftovers are referred to as mark. So over here correct option is A, that is remaining material in the equipment after pressing. Question number 15. What are the classifications in food storage? So options are dry storage and refrigerated storage, or dry storage and frozen storage, dry storage, refrigerated storage, and frozen storage, or D, that is refrigerated storage and frozen storage. So over here the correct option is C, that is the dry storage, refrigerated storage, and frozen storage. So these are the primary classifications of food storage. So each type of storage, actually it is suitable for different kinds of food items, as it improves, or it mainly preserves the quality and extends the shelf life of the food product. So over here option number C is correct. Question number 16. Which of the following press is used as a finisher for producing thick pulps? So options are hydraulic press, roller press, screw pressing, and plate pressing. So over here the most appropriate answer is C, that is screw pressing. So in the process of pulp and paper manufacturing, we can say that screw pressing is often used as a finisher for producing the thick pulps. So option number C is correct. So question number 17. Which chemical is used for determining the pectin content in the juice? So options are ethanol, methanol, ammonia, and butanol. So over here the correct option is A, that is ethanol. So this ethanol, actually it is used in a method to determine the pectin in the fruit juices. So however, it is important to note over here one thing, that exact method and the chemical used, it can vary depending on the specific process and the materials being tested. So over here, the correct or the appropriate answer is number A, that is ethanol. So question number 18. What is the minimum temperature of pasteurizing the fruit? So options are 150 to 170 degrees Celsius, 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, 20 to 40 degrees Celsius, and 70 to 90 degrees Celsius. So over here the correct option is 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. So the pasteurization of fruit juice, it typically involves a heating range of 68 to 70 degrees Celsius, and the time range is around 30 minutes. But however, you should note here one thing, that the exact temperature and time, it depends or it vary on the specific process which has been done, or the type of the fruit juice which has been pasteurized. So over here the best or the appropriate answer is 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. So next question. So question number 19. What is pulsed electric field? So options are non-thermal food preservation method, thermal food preservation method, type of irradiation method, or combination of thermal and irradiation method. So over here the most appropriate answer is A, that is non-thermal food preservation method. So pulsed electric field, that is PEF, it is a non-thermal food preservation method since it uses high voltage, low energy pulses to disrupt the cellular structure of the microorganisms in the food. So option number A is correct. So question number 20, that is which microbes are more resistant to the effect of pulsed electric field? So options are gram-positive bacteria, gram-negative bacteria, molds, or mesophilic bacteria. So over here the correct option is B, that is gram-negative bacteria. So gram-negative bacteria, mainly the Pseudomonas aeruginosa. So this is the bacteria which is more resistant to the effect of pulsed electric field. However, one thing over here you should note, that the exact resistant, it depends upon the specific microorganisms and the parameters of the pulsed electric field. So over here the correct option is B, that is gram-negative bacteria. So question number 21. How pulsed electric field destroy the microorganisms? So options are formation of large pores in the bacterial membrane, formation of large pores in the bacterial chromosomes, formation of large pores in the bacterial nucleus, or the formation of large pores in the bacterial mitochondria. So over here the most appropriate answer is option number A, that is formation of large pores in the bacterial membrane. So this pulsed electric field, what it do, this processing, actually it is a non-thermal method of inactivating the microorganisms. So it creates the formation of large pores in the bacterial membranes, and it destroys the microorganisms. So question number 22. Which of the following product can be used in the pulsed electric field for as a preservation method? So options are apple juice, chocolate, cereals, and nuts. So over here the most appropriate answer is apple juice. So pulsed electric field, that is PEF processing, it is a non-thermal method of preserving the food quality and extending the storage duration of the food items such as apple juices. So over here the correct answer is option number A, that is apple juice. So question number 23. What is the best temperature to store fresh fruits? So options are 0 to 10 degree Fahrenheit, 3 to 5 degree Fahrenheit, 20 to 30 degree Fahrenheit, and 32 to 55 degree Fahrenheit. So over here the correct answer is 32 to 55 degree Fahrenheit. So fresh fruit, it needs low temperature and high relative humidity to reduce the respiration, as it slows down the metabolic process. So over here the most appropriate answer is 32 to 55 degree Fahrenheit. So question number 24. How to maintain the storage and stability of the fruits? So options are relative humidity, pressure, water activity, and moisture content. So over here the most appropriate answer is A, that is relative humidity. So maintaining the right level of relative humidity, it plays a crucial role in the storage and stability of the fruits. Since high relative humidity means it helps to reduce the respirations, as it slows down the metabolic process, and which can extend the shelf life of the fruits. So over here the correct or the appropriate answer is option number A, that is relative humidity. So question number 25, that what is the ideal temperature for diffusion fluid extraction? So options are 150 to 170 degrees Celsius, 50 to 70 degrees Celsius, 20 to 40 degrees Celsius, and 80 to 100 degrees Celsius. So try to solve this question and comment us the correct answer. So with this we have also completed our 25 questions. So comment us the scores which you have got. So, and yes, if you are preparing for any food related examination, say for any state food safety officer or central food safety officer examination, or any food analyst examination, or gate 2025 examination, so you can install this app and daily you can practice few question answers, and you will find different sections over here, and related to that you'll get subject wise questions which will enhance your preparation. So you can install this app. Yes, link is given in the description box. And yes, with this we have completed our few question answer discussion of fruits and vegetable processing of CUET examination. If you find this video helpful, you can share this video with your friends. You can subscribe our channel for more videos. So till then, thank you and enjoy learning.